Hello friends, welcome back. Today's video topic is how to use the combination of CHOOSECOLS and FILTER function in Microsoft Excel. To explain this formula combination, here I have created a sales data that has the date, product name, sales representative name, city, sales quantity and sales amount. I have converted this data into tabular format. If I click on the table design, here you see the name of the table is sales data table. I'll use this table name in the formula. And here in the second sheet, my requirement is to display a compact form of the data that has only 3 columns like date, product name and sales amount. And this data should automatically change based on the condition that is given here. The condition is the sales representative. Here I have created a drop down. If I select here a different sales representative, the data should automatically change. So in this case, we can use the combination of CHOOSECOLS and FILTER function. The FILTER function will filter the data based on this condition, and the CHOOSECOLS function will display only the required columns like the date column, product name column and sales amount column from this source data. Let's get started. First of all, here in this cell, press equal to, then put the CHOOSECOLS function. You can double click on this CHOOSECOLS function. Here in the array parameter, combine the filter function. Double click on the filter function. In the array parameter, put the source data range, and here I have converted the data into table, so I can simply put this sales data table here. If your data is not in table, then you have to select the range of source data, then put a comma. In the include parameter, again put sales data table, open a square bracket, then choose this sales representative name column, close square bracket. This should be equal to, so put here equal to symbol, then click on this sales representative name. That will be selected from the drop down. Now close the filter function, put a comma. Now here in the column number 1, 2 of CHOOSECOLS function, we have to put which columns we need to display here. So here put 1 for the date column, comma, 2 for product name column. It means the date is on the first column of the data source, product name is in the second column of the data source, and the sales amount is in the 6th column. So put here comma, then put column number 6, close the CHOOSECOLS function. Now this formula will pick up the data for these 3 columns only, and for the sales representative selected here. You can now press enter, and here you see the data is given. This data is for the sales representative John Parker. Now if you change the sales representative name from this drop down, the data automatically updates. So this is how you can use the combination of CHOOSECOLS and FILTER function in Microsoft Excel. If you want to practice this formula combination, you can download this sample data file from the link given in the video description below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up by hitting on that like button, and also subscribe to the channel to get more video updates in Microsoft Excel and Google Sheets. Thank you so much for watching.